Alright guys, so this is part 2 of our video. And we put it in there. Should have showed you guys before, but it's all good. Let it soak. Scrubbed it. Now I'm going to dry it off. And then I'm going to clean it up with the rag and see how it comes out, guys. So the weird things I do on pork, guys. Alright, so it's supposed to be the degreaser. And I've been using the degreaser like a bootleg version of it. Got a little bootleg version of this thing I've been using. So this guy claims this is commercial grade. So let's see if it's gonna be as clean as it's gonna be. Alright guys, so we got a little rag. Let's get to it.
We heard it's like our anniversary.
Okay guys, what do you think? Let's get a better video inside. Okay guys, so what do we think? Well, not too shabby, huh? Look at that. Alright. Now I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna tell y'all what I think, guys. The weird things we do at the cruise ports. Oh, look at that. Gotta get a little bit of. See if the sunlight help. Nope. Here it help. Alright, guys. What do we think? You see? Here's my camera. I guess the rule of thumb is, can you kind of see your face? Definitely getting some sparkle. Alright, I don't think it's too bad. Looks better in person. Yeah, pretty dope. Alright, weird things we do at port, guys. Oh boy, Choco Latte out. Boop boop.